I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from BoxyCharm, and this is their base box. My box came this month for July 2020 via, I believe it was UPS. Sometimes I get it by FedEx, but this month was UPS. Okay, here is what the box looks like. It feels like less than a pound. Has a solidness to it, but it's not particularly heavy. But I love that it came with this little card, and it's actually an informational card, which is nice. And I think the theme is sunshine. All right, first thing I see here is from Grace and Stella, which I believe I got last month's box as well for BoxyCharm. I'll post the video somewhere here or at the end of the video. This is Grace and Stella's, it's like an energy drink for your eyes eye mask. Okay, so I'm gonna look it up in here. Energizing eye mask, there's 12 pairs in here. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around the eyes, perk them up as if you've had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. And the retail price for this baby is $21 US. Wow. The next product is from Ciate, London. Okay, let's see what this is about. This is their Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Oh, I think I have the powder. Yeah, I do. So now I have the spray. This is great. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultrafine mist holds makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. The retail price for this baby is $22 US. There we go. I love setting sprays, and the powder form of this is so delicious. It smells so good, and I'm loving the packaging. It's very sexy looking. And this is the spray, so let's see how that goes. Ooh, look at that. I totally thought it was going to come out of here, but it came out of here. Oh, I smell it already. Oh, that smells lovely. I believe this is a makeup tool. I've heard about this color switch. Let's see. Lavish, L-A-V-I-S-H, quick color switch dry brush cleaner. So it is. With this quick color switch dry brush cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water, reusable and washable. And it's $17. I had always wanted to get one. I just, for some reason, would never find the time to buy it. It would just slip my mind, but I always said that seems practical. And you know, if you're short on water somewhere, or you just don't have water available, but you need to clean your brush, this is great. I think whoever thought about this is genius, because this reminds me of that stuff that you put around your air conditioner. I mean, look at that. Okay. And you stick it in one of these, and you charge people $21 for the tin. Okay, moving right along, we have something from 111 Skin, and this is their NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. Ooh, so maybe something for the skin. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Can you guess how much this baby costs to protect you from the rays of your phone and computer? This little bad boy is $135 US. I will repeat, $135. When I saw the price, I said, maybe it's a misprint. No. This is what the bottle looks like. Very unassuming looking, isn't it? I don't know if you have to shake it or what. Oh, it does say directions: shake well. Before use, mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to skin after cleansing. looks pretty clear, if you can see that. And you just add a drop or two into your hand or into your moisturizer. Okay. Does it have a scent? It feels pretty thick. It doesn't have like a fruity or floral scent. I think it has that type of scent that is trying really hard to not have a scent. So the texture of it is a little bit tacky, similar to like liquid glue. Like if you first apply it and it has that little viscous thickness. And then last but certainly not least, this looks like an eyeshadow palette from Pure, and this is called Festival 2.0. I'm going to open this to see what it's about. You know me, I appreciate an eye palette just like the next person. I love that they packaged it very well. Here are the colors in the back. And these are 12-piece pressed pigments palette, which means probably that some of the colors in here may not really be approved for use around the eye, so to use with care. But when you use pressed pigment instead of just flat out eyeshadow, then you should read the ingredients in the back. Application: use a brush, not included. Pack the pigment onto skin, build and blend until you achieve a desired look. A combination of ginseng, oh, it has an energy complex thing in there. A combination of ginseng, green tea, and vitamin B that helps boost the skin's natural metabolism and rejuvenate the skin's appearance. So it's supposed to make your eye area look a little more healthy. That's nice. What I also found interesting is that they have the colors listed also on the side of the box, as well as on here. And we'll see how it looks like. I see there's a little fallout, but that's what it looks like. So overall, what did I think about this month's July 2020 base box from BoxyCharm? I would say very good, very nice. I really like it, and I love the fact again that I got a makeup tool. And while I love brushes, I do appreciate something that will actually clean them, and I'm dying to try this out. I'll probably post a review about this to see how it really works, if it really does what it says it does, for me anyway, in a future video. What do you think? What did you get in your box? Are you a subscriber to BoxyCharm? Let me know in the comments below what you got in your base box. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest BoxyCharm unboxing, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.